Welcome to this video on how SAP Business One helps manufacturers significantly reduce production wastage. We will explore how better visibility leads to smarter decisions and improved profitability. Most manufacturers only see the tip of the iceberg when it comes to waste. Underlying factors like inaccurate demand forecasting, undetected defects, and poor scheduling quietly drain profits every day. Wastage is often a visibility problem rather than a production one. Disjointed systems force reactive, costly choices. SAP Business One connects your ecosystem, allowing you to catch issues before they impact your margins. Moving from intuition to demand-driven planning ends guesswork. SAP Business One uses historical sales data and material resources planning to ensure you produce and purchase exactly what is needed. Inaccurate BOMs lead to repeated errors. With multi-level BOM management and strict revision control in SAP Business One, you ensure every production order uses the correct quantities every single time. Real-time inventory visibility eliminates the just-in-case hoarding mentality. Automated tracking and reorder points help you maintain optimal stock levels for time-sensitive or perishable materials. Detecting defects early saves massive labor and material costs. SAP Business One enables automated quality inspections upon arrival, preventing bad inputs from ever reaching the assembly line. Traceability is key to isolating problems. With full lot and serial tracking, you can pinpoint the source of a defect in seconds, allowing you to address only the affected batch rather than scrapping everything. Waiting for month-end reports to identify cost inefficiencies is too late. SAP Business One provides real-time variance tracking, allowing you to flag and fix production spikes as they occur. Efficiency and sustainability go hand in hand. By reducing overproduction and waste through optimized planning, your factory naturally lowers its environmental footprint and improves its sustainability metrics. This comparison highlights the divide between a reactive factory and one powered by SAP Business One. From demand planning to sustainability, integrated data transforms your operations. The unified safety system illustrates how these connected features create compounding ROI. By building prevention into every daily workflow, you can see measurable returns within the first year. Implementation matters. As a global SAP partner, Kabeer Consulting Group configures the software around your specific production realities, turning theoretical benefits into actual bottom-line results. Stop the bleed and reveal your hidden ROI. Contact Kabeer Consulting Group today to request a free SAP Business One assessment for your manufacturing facility.